Hello everyone, this is Alex from Coinexx, and in this short video I'm going to go ahead and show you a quick walkthrough of the Act Trader platforms and also how to create an account on Coinexx. So first things first, let's go ahead and open up an account. Now to do this you want to go ahead and be on coinexx.com, and in the top right hand corner you will see open account, so we'll go ahead and click that. Now it's very self-explanatory, simply enter your first name, last name, email and password along with your country and mobile phone number. Don't forget to tick the terms and conditions and click sign up. So I'm going to go ahead and fill that in. There we go, and click sign up. And now you have to hop over to your email address and look for the email sent to you that contains the OTP number. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Here's my OTP code. So I'm just going to highlight it, copy, and paste it into here. Click submit. And there we go. We have now created an account on Coinexx. So now we're at the account dashboard, and from here we can open up a live account and demo account using these buttons right here. So we're going to go ahead and open up a demo account. So we're just going to click demo account. And we're going to create an account with Act Trader. So we're going to click create account, select our leverage, the currency, and click new demo account. And there we are. We now have our credentials, which we'll keep safe because we'll need them later on to log in to our account on Act Trader. Now to open up a live account, it's the exact same process, except we'll click live account. Again, we're going to create account with Act Trader. We'll select the leverage, our currency, and new Act live account. And once again, we have our credentials, which we're going to keep safe. Back to our dashboard, if we go ahead and click on the top left here where it says select trading account here, you can see we have a demo account for Act Trader, which is the one we just created. If we click on that, you can see we have a $100,000 demo account balance. And if we go to the live account, you can see our balance is at 0 since we have yet to actually deposit any funds. Now you will also notice I have MT5 accounts as well, so MetaTrader 5 accounts too. Now say I have a live MetaTrader 5 account and I actually have funds on it, but I would like to use Act Trader, I can very simply just transfer the balance over from MT5 to Act Trader. So opening up a new Act Trader live account doesn't require you necessarily to deposit fresh money. You can always transfer money from a MetaTrader account over to Act Trader. Now in this part of the tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the web trader for Act Trader and also the mobile platform. So first let's start with the web trader. If we go to the top right hand corner, click on select web trader and click web trader for Act Trader. Now you'll be taken to this login screen. Simply enter your credentials that were given to you when you created your live or demo account. And once you've logged in, you'll be greeted with a screen like this. Now from here you can see your balance in the top left hand corner. You can also see your watch list of all the different symbols that you like or instruments that you like to trade. At the bottom it has a little section which will show you your open trades, your pending orders, account history, etc. On the right hand side you have your buy and sell buttons. You can also change it to a buy stop or buy limit or sell stop. And of course in the center of the screen you have the actual charts itself, which you can move about, and we'll get into much more details on how to actually navigate the platform, place trades, etc. in later tutorial videos. On the right hand side we have the watch list of all the different instruments that you are currently watching, so your news, so anything in the world that could impact the markets. The trading calendar, which shows any important announcements happening such as unemployment rate, GDP, etc. And of course alerts, so you have created an alert on a chart, a specific area of interest, Once it reaches that, it will send you an alert. It's a very self-explanatory, very easy to navigate, a nice clean interface, and that is the web trader.